If you want to see the percentage of your battery left on your Nintendo Switch 2, then it's easy to do. You can see there's a little icon up here, and if we just tap it, then it will come up with the percentage. So right now you can see it's 100%. Every time we tap it, it will stay on there for about 3 or 4 seconds. But we can actually change it so it's on all the time. All we have to do is go to System Settings, and then we're going to go right the way to the very bottom to where it says System, and then we're going to go down to where it says Console Battery, and right now this little slider switch is off. So if we do that, console battery percentage on, when we go home now, you will see that all the time it will say 100% next to the battery icon, or 30%, 40%, or 55%, whatever your battery's on. So that percentage will always be there, and now when we touch it, it doesn't do anything. If you don't want that there, you just do the same thing again. System Settings, and you just turn that little switch off. And then it will be back to normal, where it takes up a little bit less room up the top here, and then you have to tap it to see the percentage. Thanks for watching.